This is Shane with ADL, and I'm going to take you through how to band a hand to the handy board. And again, the hand that's on the deck is one that it doesn't have a lot of control or movement, so we want that hand to be able to stay in place. So I have the elastic band. We're going to start at the thumb, we're going to wrap around, we're going to come to the other side, and I'm going to make an X pattern at the palm of the hand. To get the band to slide through those slots, just give a little bit of tension on it, and it will tuck right into that slot and help to hold that hand in place. From the thumb and the X, now I'm going to work my way up to the fingers, and I'm just going to go 2 bands running across the fingers, and I have a little bit left. I could come down and see if I could get another pass at that thumb. Notice at the very end there's a knot in place, and that's just going to help hold that band in that slot without it coming out. But now that hand's positioned nice and secure, and it's ready for that individual to begin exercising on that affected side. Thanks for watching.